Hey guys, this is your logical artist Beenaa. Welcome to my new acrylic pour painting video. In this video, I will be using the colors of Fevicryl. The colors are sky blue, Prussian blue, cobalt teal and white. I will be adding little bit of acrylic medium into it for better flowing consistency. I'm going to add very little water into it to further increase the flow. Now I'm going to add Montmartre silicone oil into it. I'm going to add only one drop in each of the color. I'm going to make waves of the sea, that is why I have added very little silicone oil. Now mix everything well. It will take quite a time to mix each and every color. I always take the impression of the paint that is spilled down from my pour paintings. It always creates very pretty shapes on the paper. By doing this, I make backgrounds for my new paintings and I save my paints from getting wasted. I hate to waste paint. Now with the help of a straw, just blow into your paintings to get the desired waves. I've blown my heart out on the canvas. I'm really loving the outcome. I love these waves. I hope you all like it. Thanks for watching my video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.